everyone, I am Cherish Macy Sarah, and I would like to introduce to you our game called My Safe Not Yours. In this game, your luck will be your ally. For the criteria of this game, challenger will pick their chosen box. Each box contains a card that draws a safe or not safe. Each round, there is a chance of being safe or not. Every round, the one who got the not safe will have a punishment. Only one challenger will survive in this game and win the 3 million pesos.
Before anything else, this game will have an individual purpose that connects to the probability distribution. What is probability distribution? A probability distribution is a statistical function that describes all the possible values and probabilities for a random variable within a given range.
In this vlog, this will not only be entertainment but also interesting and educational.
Pakita kayo, pakita. Ayun, gawa.
Lift your luck. One, two, three, go.
Kamyas.
Hindi pa rusak. Pili kayo kalamansi o no kamyas.
Kamyas! Ay, kamyas na lang. Buo. Amin.
Garo. Belum na.
Ayan, awan siya ko eh.
Walay kayo. Pili kayo.
Uy!
Round 2.
Ay! Ayan.
What? Lift your luck.
Yes!
Oh, si kaya player na nakalati sa Banyati, parusa na.
Kanay, kalamansi. Sakmang itong biya.
Nawa, Rodrigo.
Uy, nalaing mo.
Uy! Nagkita sa mga. Oy, cut, Brad. Players, choose your luck.
Ay, lokat! Majalan-jalan no? Udah, yan jalan.
Now, let's give her the prize of 3 million